Topic: Discovering Bataan, a journey through its top tourist spots.
Objective: the show episode aims to introduce listeners to Bataan most iconic and underrated tourist spots, share historical and cultural context behind key destinations, provide practical tips for planning a trip including suggested itineraries and budget advice, encourage responsible and meaningful travel.
Introduction. Welcome to AHA Adventure presents Bataan Bliss Explore and Discover. In today's episode, we'll take you on a virtual tour of Bataan top tourist spots. From the historic Dambana ng Kagitingan atop Mount Sama to the breathtaking coves of Five Fingers, Bataan offers a blend history, adventure, and natural beauty. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each destination, share travel tips, and offer solutions for common travel challenges like getting around, budgeting, and making the most of your visit. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just looking for your next weekend getaway, this episode is packed with insights to help you plan the perfect Bataan adventure.
What's up AHA Adventure? Welcome to AHA Adventure. Discover, experience, enjoy. The podcast where we uncover wonders one AHA at a time. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the rich history, stunning nature, and epic adventure of Bataan. Joining me are two awesome guests, travel blogger and Bataan, local Jan, and outdoor and adventure junkie, Ses. Guy, welcome to the show. Jan?
Hey, thanks for having me. Super pumped to talk about my hometown.
Yo, excited to share some wild stories and tips from Bataan best spots.
Alright, let's get into whether you're planning your next trip or just love discovering new places. This episode is packed with everything you need to know about Bataan. Jan, let's start with the history. What's the landmark in Bataan that everyone should visit at least once?
Hands down, the Dambana ng Kagitingan on Mount Samat, its huge memorial dedicated to the heroes of World War II, and the giant cross alone is mind-blowing, and the museum inside really hits you with the story of bravery.
Yeah, I remember climbing up there last time. The view from the top, insane. You can see the whole province and even Manila Bay on a clear day.
Sound epic, Jan, and tips for Paul's visiting for the first time.
Definitely go early to beat the heat and the crowds. Also, don't snap photos. Take time to explore the museum and the grounds. It's humbling experience.
And bring water. The climb can get tiring, especially if you're not used to it.
Says, you're an adventure guy. Tell us about Five Finger Cove. Why is such as a big deal?
Five Fingers Cove is like nature playground. It's actually 5 separate coves connected by narrow paths and cliffs. Each with unique spots for cliff diving, snorkeling, or just chilling. The boat ride to get there is an adventure itself. Rocky cliffs, crystal clear water, and hidden beaches.
I love that place. It's perfect for weekend trips with friends. Just make sure you're ready to get wet and bring your GoPro.
It is safe for beginners?
For sure, most tours provide life vests and guides. Just listen to your guide and don't try anything too crazy if you're not experienced.
Jan, favorite cove?
Apatot Cove is my go-to. It's less crowded and perfect for swimming and photos.
Jan, tell us about Las Casas, Filipinas de Alcazar. If here, it's like stepping back in time.
Exactly. It's a heritage resort in Bagac where they reconstructed Spanish colonial houses from all over the Philippines. Walking there feels like you're in a history movie. They also have cultural shows and traditional food.
The river cruise there was chill. Great way to relax after a day of walking around.
It is pricey.
It can't be. But if you do a day tour instead of staying overnight, it's more affordable. Totally worth it for the experience.
Says, you're volunteer at the Pawikan Conservation Center, right? What's that like?
Yeah, it's one of the coolest thing I've done. The center protects sea turtles, and if you're lucky, you get to help release Ashley into the ocean. It's a powerful experience and makes you realize how important conservation is.
I went there during the Pawikan Festival. The community really comes together to celebrate and protect these turtles.
How can visitors help?
Respect the rules, no touching turtles, no flash photos. Also, support local products and spread awareness.
Says, what about hiking? What's your top trail in Bataan?
Tarak Ridge, no question. It's a tough but rewarding hike. You trek through forests, cross streams, and at the summit, the view of Manila Bay and Corregidor Island is breathtaking.
I remember the first time I did it and I was wiped out, but the view made it all worth it.
Any advice for newbies?
Start early, bring lots of water, snacks, and good shoes, and never hike alone.
Jan, what's hidden gem in Bataan the people often miss?
Plaza Mayor, Seguda de Balanga is a chill spot with beautiful Spanish-inspired architecture, local cafes, and great vibes. It's perfect for winding down after a day exploring.
And don't sleep on the local food. Suman Salatik and Tinapa are must-tries.
Where the best place get those?
The public market in Balanga, authentic and affordable.
Alright, quick recap, Jan, what's your topic highlight?
The perfect blend of history and culture from Mount Samat to Las Casas, Filipinas.
Says,
The adventure spots, Five Finger Cove, and Tarak Ridge are unforgettable.
guys, what your biggest aha moment about Bataan?
That it's a place where history, nature, and culture come together seamlessly.
For me, it's how accessible this amazing experience are. Just a few hours from Manila.
That's what make Bataan special. You can discover, experience, and enjoy so much without traveling far. Jan says that a ton is sharing your stories and tips. And final words for our listeners.
Travel with curiosity and respect. Bataan has so much to offer if you are open to it.
And always be a responsible traveler. Protect the places you visit.
Great advice. To our listeners, thanks for tuning in AHA Adventure, Discover Experience, Enjoy, and remember, every trip a chance for a new AHA moment. Subscribe and share and tag us in your Bataan Adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep saying AHA.